Do you want your food now? Huh? Nelson? Look, it's empty. It's empty, baby. Do you want your food now? Huh? Do you want? Yes? I know. It's just delivered today. No crying, baby. I will get your food. Okay, you're hungry? Yes? My baby girl is hungry? Huh? Okay, let me get it for you. Hold on. It's just delivered today. I know. Oh no, be nice. See? It's right here. It's your food. It's right here. See? It's right here. Here, look. Let me get the scissors. Look at Nelson's right there. She's looking for her food. Here. See, this is Nelson's food, Mommy. Here. Yeah. It's Nelson's food. She has the wet food there, but she doesn't like it. That's mangoes, usually. Hold on. Oh, it's hard to open it, sweetie. I need more scissors. Okay, she knows this is her food. Kasi may storm dito, kaya late dumating. Kaya pinakain ko muna si Nelson ng soup and wet food. She doesn't have any choice. She still wants her own food. So, ito yung pangalan ng food niya. Ayan. Every 2 weeks. For Nelson and mango. Ayan. So, wet food. Here. Nelson. See? Ooh, look at the tail. Here. Look. Gusto na niya ilagay ko dun sa kainan niya. Here, Nelson. This is your food. Look. Look, oh. See? Hold on, let's open it. I'm going there. Do you want to eat your food now? Okay, wait a minute, baby. Okay. What's that? Okay. Oh, something, and that's fun. You're wet. I can see you're wet. Move a little bit. I know. Nelson, this way. Okay. It's hard. Give me the scissors, baby. Okay. This is Nelson's food, Mommy. We missed it for 1 day because it did not delivered on time because we have the storm. Here. Ito yung loob niya. You can see inside. It's like this. Okay. Nelson. Come on. Napunta na siya. Come on. Go eat. Chew it. Yes, now she's happy. You're happy now, Nelsen? Sen, are you happy now? Yes? Happy? Oh, yeah. She is so feral. She's grumpy because she was so hungry. Pero kumain naman siya ng wet food. But she still miss her food, her favorite food. That one. Ayan. Ito yung pangalan niya. Ayan. So, ayan po ang kinakain ni Nelsen and Mango na dry food. She's eating now. She's right there now. She's eating. Ayan. Ayaw niya ng camera. Okay. Go eat. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye-bye.